So my hair has been stressing me out for a while now. I tried like blowing it out and just like seeing if I can do anything with it, and it looks better than it looked a few hours ago. So now I want to see if I can do something, you know, try something out. I don't know if it's gonna work. We'll see. So I have this wig right here. Okay, it's not the best looking wig, right? But we're gonna make it work. I hope it's gonna work, because I have this idea in my head and I just really hope it works. Honestly, like I really hope it works, because if it doesn't, then I don't know what I'm gonna do with my hair. Honestly, like I have no idea what I'm gonna do with my hair. So I'm gonna comb it out. As you can see, this is the wig. You know, I'm too lazy to straighten it, and this is just a trial. You know, I want to see if it's gonna look great, and then if it does, then I'll just like I'll just straighten it and try styling it. And by the way, I sewed this in myself, and then I tried like cutting it. As you can see, the closure isn't in the worst condition. It's actually a pretty good closure, and initially I wanted to use this closure on my other wig, because I had another wig, like a longer wig, and it's a very nice wig. I just don't know where it is. I don't know if it was stolen during my daughter's birthday or what, but then I guess this is what I have to like work with. I have an idea. I think I'm just not gonna put it like on my whole head. I don't think it's gonna look good. So what I'm gonna do, you'll see. Trust the process, right? And trust me as well. We're gonna make it work. And one thing about me, like I don't have the patience. Like I like all these beauty stuff, like makeup and doing my hair, but then I just don't have the patience, you know. Even if like I were to learn how to install a wig, I'd probably just want a glueless wig, something that I can just like put on and just be done and over with. Because I don't have the patience. I don't know why, but then like I don't, you know. But then again, I want to learn how to do these things and just be a girly girl. Now I have a daughter, you know. I feel like I'm now obligated to like just like be the best version of myself, you know. Not that now I'm not, but then like you get what I'm saying. So as you can see, we have a bit of a ponytail here. So now what I want to do now, I hope I don't ruin this closure, right? I want to see if this will work. Ugh, man, I wish I had straightened this wig, but it's not bad, man. It needs to be straightened, because I did wash it. Let's try. Sun. Okay, I don't know how I feel about it, but then let me just like trust the process. And then I think there's a bump here at the back. I don't know if it's visible or not, but that depends. You know, I don't know what to do. I want to cry. Okay, everything shall work out in the end. And the thing is that I was trying to do a whole bob situation with this wig, and I think it was an epic fail. But I just hope this works, because it's a very small wig. I don't even know why I attempted, guys, to like sew it in by myself. Oh, I know, broke. But I don't even know why. I could have just like waited till I had money and then just like paid someone to do it. Now where did I put my comb? Okay, here it is. Let's see. Let's see if this works. If it does, then I'm probably just gonna, when I go somewhere, or like this will be my everyday hairstyle. This will definitely be my everyday hairstyle. But then now it's like too color. I think I like it. Ne? Oh yeah, we definitely need a body pin. Yeah. Let's just work with what you have right now. I swear, if this works, I'm gonna feel like I'm the baddest hairstylist. I think I like it. I don't think it's bad. I just think it needs straightening. I mean, it's not bad. And then again, I don't want to open a line here in the front. See? I think I like it like this. Or do I? I don't know. But then I think it looks nice right now. But then I feel like I have a hump at the back. Doesn't mean I have to, now I have to like take it out. Doesn't mean that I have to take it out now. But from the front, it's not bad, guys. It's not bad. It's not bad. It's actually not bad. It's actually not bad. It looks like my hair, you know. I just have to work on the, I think I'm not gonna like do a ponytail this high, because now I feel like it's pretty high and it's creating, you see, a bump at the back. So what I'm gonna do is I'll just like braid my hair, or yeah, just like braid my hair right here at the bottom, because I think it's long enough, and then I'll just like tuck it in and then put this on. Like, why not? I think that could work. But I'm in love. It's not bad. It really isn't. It's not bad, guys. It's not. I think this can be my everyday hairstyle as a working mom and a full-time student. I think I'll be able to balance everything now. I won't be as stressed out with my hair as I usually am. Like, I can actually style my own hair. I'm not bad. Like, I am actually not bad. I'm good. Damn. This looks amazing. I am loving it. It's not bad. I mean, like, it just needs a bit of straightening. I think this looks great. I think this looks great. So y'all gonna see me here on TikTok with this hairstyle. Yeah, and I also need to straighten my hair, right? I am so excited. And guess what? I bought lashes at Mr. Price because I also want to try them out. Like I said, I'm in my girly era. I want to try putting them on. But I first need to buy glue because I realized they don't have glue. I thought they come with the glue, but then they don't. I think it's strip lashes. It's not those ones that come in like a lot of pieces. It's just like one lashes. So I'm gonna try them. I'm gonna record a video soon. I have to buy the glue. I don't know which glue though, but then I'll see. I'll watch tutorials on TikTok, and then we'll try doing those as well. I think that will be fun. We are in an era, guys. I'm a mom, and also I'm in my mid-20s, and I want to look my best, and I want to be the best version of myself. I don't know if maybe like it needs any adjustments besides me just straightening it. Yeah, because I did wash it. It's clean, I think. I washed it with shampoo, so I think it looks fine. It looks fine, right? It doesn't need to be soaked in like hot water whatsoever.